Lusi again, and we are going to do, give me a second, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And we are going to do this Barbie video, and so this can come off. Like if you just take that off, that, and then see that. So do you see how this isn't connected? That's how it is. There's a blanket, a bottle, and then when you turn it around, so there's like a lighter baby, and there's her sister, the sandbox. So I'm going to, okay, so one more second. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe in, like in the other video that I did with talking about that stuff where I got the jar and then I pulled out the stuff. So don't forget to subscribe on that video. So, yeah. And I'll tell my mom to put a subscribe button there, okay? Okay, so should I comment down below if I should do another video of these, okay? With the lighter version of the baby or that set, okay? So should we get, I think we should, okay, so guys, I never noticed that, and then do you see that little teddy bear down there? That one? And just this, and I'll be back in a second, because my mom needs my phone. Okay, so my mom said she could use her computer, and I'm gonna have to get the phone back on here. Okay, there we go. So there's this cute little baby. Oh, she's so cute. And there's a little diaper you can take off. We don't want to do that. That's gross. And see, it's fun. I have another one. It does not have a diaper. It did not come with anything. It just came with that and a bottle, and that's it. Okay, so add all that down to me. So here's the bottle and the baby. So we're gonna put the bottle in the baby's mouth. Okay, I'm back, and I have my scissors to chop my hair. Just kidding, I've never chopped my hair. That's too bad. Plus, I never chopped my hair from last 3 videos. My mom did it. Oh, this curl's growing long. Mom needs to cut that out. Okay, I'll get back to you. So we're ready. The baby blanket. So it has a monkey, elephants, dinosaurs, and a panda. That's all. Oh no, where's the baby bottle? I lost the baby bottle already. Wonder what. Okay, so we got the baby carrier. I'm not sure you can take. No, you can't take it off. Or this. Okay, so that is the baby. Okay, and I'll go get the baby. I'll be back. With the blanket. Look at little baby, it's so cute, right? Ooh. Peace out. We only have the last thing left, and I'll be back with it, which is the final contestant. Okay, I'll get everything ready for the baby. And when we have the baby stroll, I'll go get the blanket and put it in. Okay, so that is it. The bottle's in there. Then I'll put the baby in. Woo, the baby's in there. And we start pushing. I'll push the baby stroll since I don't have a Barbie right now. Give me a second. I will be back in 1 second. Okay, I'm back. And look. Stuck. it on a nice, resting. I know this is a bath. I know I'm doing a bathroom. The bathroom potty. See, now you can see me. You can see me, my head.